Well, today's home improvement project is replacing some exterior trim on a dormer that ties into the shingles on my roof. I've got my roof scheduled to be replaced, or the shingles to be replaced here in the next week, and I've got some rot on some of the trim boards. I just want to replace them before the roofers show up so that I don't have to worry about it after they install the new shingles. So that's the dormer that I'm working on, and we've got some rot there coming down on that board, going vertical to the shingles, and then similarly up there in that corner there's some rot. So I'm going to replace those boards. It's quite a ways up there. I got 2 ladders for protection, and we're going to dig in. We're going to cut the heads off the nails so we can pull these boards out a little easier, and then we'll begin replacing it. So this whole board here is going to be replaced, and then that board down there in that corner, and then I'll probably end up replacing this one here on the underside of this window. So I'm going to use this sonic tool basically to remove the nail heads into these. I'm just going to cut up underneath here and cut the nails here, and then I can easily pry off those 2 trim pieces. This is a 1x10, this is a 1x4, and I've got replacement material for it already. All right, the first layer of trim piece came off nicely. I'm going to hope that the next piece comes off just as nicely. It'll make my work much easier if this goes smoothly. Okay, that went fairly easy and quick with no significant damage at all. So it's going to be pretty easy to replace the 2 boards and clean up this rotten material. All right, there are the 2 boards I just took off using just a hammer and a pry bar, and they're nicely intact. So I can take some measurements off of them. First, I'm going to take the nails out just so I don't find myself stepping on them or somehow getting myself hung up on them. All right, got the fascia board on that side complete, and I've removed that board and getting ready to replicate it with a new piece of material, and we're going to soldier on. Well, it's a messy setup, but it's getting it done. We got our skill saw corded, we got our cordless skill saw, we got our portable table saw, and we got a chop saw. All right, there's the fascia board along the top, and I've just placed this new trim board underneath this window in, about ready to fasten it. All right, that trim piece is nailed in. This is solid here. We're just gonna wind up painting all around that trim area. Now comes this piece, and I might as well just get this outside piece as well. Well, the trim is off. I've already cut the new pieces. I'm going to nail it in place, and other than just painting that trim area, we'll be all set. Okay, there's 1 piece of trim tacked in. I just have it tacked in now. I want to make sure everything looks good before I secure it finally. Okay, we have the trim up. All we have to do now is paint it. I did paint the ends of all the cut surfaces that I made, and now we're just going to paint this whole area. We're all done. It's painted. There's a little bit of caulking I did as well, and you can see here it looks 100% better. All right, this project is wrapped up. It took quite a bit of the day to get this one done because I was in and up in the ladder a million times, but as you can see there, it looks pretty good, and we're all set now for having our roof reshingled this week, and hopefully it'll all go well, and we'll have a roof that'll last us hopefully another 26 years.